Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into Maze AI, a platform I've been testing out to see if it truly is the best AI research platform for you to use. The official website, maze.co, positions it as the all-in-one research platform that empowers teams to get critical customer insights fast, and from my demo, it certainly aims to streamline that entire process. Essentially, Maze acts as a central hub where you can run a variety of tests like usability tests, surveys. Now let's talk about the positive aspects that really stand out. The integration with major design tools is a huge plus, creating a seamless workflow for designers and researchers. The promise of getting rich, quantitative and qualitative insights from a single platform is very compelling, potentially saving a lot of time and money by replacing a whole stack of separate tools. The emphasis is on enterprise-level teams and scaling research, so the pricing and structure might be more aligned with larger organizations rather than individual freelancers or very small startups. While the website does a great job explaining the features, the true test of its claim as the best platform would come down to the specific needs and budget of your team, as the most feature-rich tool isn't always the right fit for everyone. For larger organizations, the Enterprise plan offers custom pricing with custom study quantities, unlimited seats, and includes access to a global panel of participants as part of its Enterprise Research Suite. It's a powerful, all-in-one research platform that seems ideal for teams serious about integrating continuous user testing into their workflow. If you found this demo helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tools. Thanks for watching.